why regular massage matters. Did you know that muscle tension doesn't happen overnight? For most people, tension builds slowly over time through everyday habits. Things like sitting at a desk, looking down at your phone, driving, or repetitive movements at work. Over time, these patterns cause certain muscles to become tight and overworked, while others become weak and underused. When that happens, the body starts to compensate. And that's often when stiffness, headaches, and chronic pain begin to appear. Massage therapy helps interrupt that cycle. Regular massage improves circulation, bringing more oxygen and nutrients into tight muscles while helping remove metabolic waste that builds up in stressed tissue. It also helps calm the nervous system. When muscles stay tight for too long, the body starts to treat that tension as normal. Massage stimulates sensory receptors that signal those muscles to relax. Another important benefit is injury prevention. Small restrictions in muscles and connective tissue can slowly change how the body moves. Over time, that can lead to issues like lower back pain, shoulder tension, or recurring headaches. Routine massage helps identify and release these restrictions before they become bigger problems. That's why many wellness professionals recommend massage not just when you're in pain, but as part of a regular self-care routine. Just like exercise maintains strength, massage helps maintain healthy muscle function. And when your muscles move better, your entire body feels the difference. Your body works hard every day. Give it the recovery it deserves. Book your session at TravSpa.com.
TravSpa, feel the reset.